Friends, in this video, we are going to discuss the basic differences between OHSAS 18001 and ISO 45001. So, the first difference is that in OHSAS 18001, the role of OH&S representative can be delegated to any other person, but in 45001, it is highly discouraged. The second difference is that OHSAS 18001 focuses on the control of hazard, while ISO 45001 focuses on a risk-based approach, which means, in simple terms, that whatever the areas or in whichever the areas are more risk-based, are creating more risk and hazards, then this 45001 standard is approaches on it in a very stringent way. The next difference between OHSAS 18001 and 45001 is that there are a few new definitions that you will find out in OHSAS 45001 which were not present in OHSAS 18001. OHSAS 18001 deals with risk. However, ISO 45001 deals with both risks and opportunities as well. In OHSAS 18001, there is no concept of interested party. However, in 45001, there include a concept of interested party, and it focuses and it this standard urges us or its implementer to focus on the values and expectations and needs of the interested parties as well. So these are a few differences between OHSAS 18001 and ISO 45001. Thank you so much.